Hello everyone, I'm Judy, your property host, and we're here in Versailles, Alabang. So right behind me is our single detached, ready for occupancy house and lot. So this is their Adelaide model unit. So this has a total lot area of 240 square meters and a floor area of 183 square meters. So this has a total of 3 bedrooms, and you can see here you can fit up to 4 cars here in your carports. Now let's check the inside of this Adelaide model unit. You can see the high ceiling for our living area, and this is commonly your dining area behind it. Now you will see here in our kitchen area your fully installed cabinet, sink, and here you will also see our maid's room that has its own toilet and bath. Now let's check here. This door leads you in your service area and another gate towards your garage. And here around you will see the lanai, a perfect place for relaxation for you and your guests. Now let's proceed here in our powder room, and there's another door here accessible to your garage. Now let's proceed on the second floor. By the way, this model unit, it comes with air conditions for all of your bedrooms. Here's the master's bedroom. It has its own balcony. Now you also have here your closet, your walk-in closet, and of course, your toilet and bath. Now let's check the other rooms. Here on our first bedroom, you can see our built-in cabinets. And then this is your own toilet and bathroom. Now another bedroom. This is your second bedroom with its own toilet and bath. It also has its own cabinets and drawers. So if you're interested in this property, you may contact us through our Smart Viber WhatsApp number 0919-996-3820. See you!